I really like this style, and I didn't want to throw it away.
It just doesn't want to zip up.
Yeah, things break.
All right, who was next after this one?
It opens up so it doesn't stay stuck together.
Tonight there have been a lot of broken zippers.
The flat side of this always goes on the flat side of the tape.
Bring it in, we'll fix it right on the spot. And if they can fix one of them, I'll be happy. If they fix all three, hell yeah.
We had a taco shell fire in the first one. The whole thing was on fire and there were flames coming out of every vent everywhere, which pretty much ruined most of the interior.
Well, he's got a unit just like this.
Stuff these days is kind of made to be broken, and that stuff ends up in the landfill usually after about 6 months of use. Started doing them about 2013, so it's been a few years now. Over the course of these number of years, we've been able to divert approximately 600 things from the landfill, which is the whole purpose of the Repair Cafe.
So it lasted about 7 months.
Everything's a throwaway society anymore.
Yeah, you have to put a rock on top of the switch for it to stay on.
If there's that one thing that we keep out of the landfill, that might not seem like a lot, but cumulatively it adds up, and maybe that one thing will turn into their curiosity blooming and interested in how to fix other things, and hopefully a cascading effect to keep more of their things out of the landfill.
Bob popped right here, and I didn't have the right type of glue to glue it back together.
Figured out how to take that off and screw it back in, and I'm thrilled because now it's totally functional again.
I don't want to speak for him. I don't want to put too much pressure on him, but I'm thinking he's going to make it happen.
Once you get in front of the fixer, they're all fun. They're all really great individuals.
So I moved the ground to one of the sides.
That wasn't really wrong, it was more incorrect.
It's a dying breed of people who can fix their own things.
All the trim is coming together now.
This is a phenomenon that's starting to happen in cities around the world.
But toasting taco shells is not a good idea. That's maybe the moral of the whole story.
So we want to look at our stuff and have an appreciation for it, and maybe even learn how to fix it in order to keep it out of the landfill, and not just go out and buy a new one. So that way we're saving money, but we're also taking ownership.
Thank you very much.
And really appreciating the things that we have.